Hello again, it's Mr. Pete, your YouTube shop teacher, and this is episode number 79A, the question portion of my What Is It Mystery Tools series. Take a look down in the description if you want to see a playlist for the other 78 videos in this series. So I have several interesting items here, 5 to be exact. Hope you enjoy this, so let's go through them one by one and then watch the follow-up video in about a week where I disclose the true identity, and you are invited to leave a comment and leave a guess as to what these are. And I've been doing this so long that you might find that there are some repeats here, but let's begin with number 1. Okay, this is item number 1. And there is a manufacturer's label under here. I've got that covered, but there are several accessories or other parts that came with this. These are simply made of plastic, where this is aluminum and steel. Pretty nicely made. And I have the original box, and in there is the directions and some other things that might give it away, so I'm not going to show you that until the following video. But when you turn the knurled knob here, these little fingers move in and out. So that might give it away. And I'm not sure exactly where these are used. I didn't read the directions myself, but there are some people out there, I'm sure, that can identify item number 1. This is item 2, quite old, and I might have shown one of these before because I run across these every once in a while. Little keeper down there, and there's 4 different size holes. There's absolutely no name or number on this tool. And it opens up like this. It's kind of stiff. Got a rather heavy-duty joint. What is this tool for? And have you ever seen one? Notice that in these little grooves here, there are, if I can get a light here, not a thread, but something, a gripper. And that's number 2, and please use the numbers in the comments so I know what you're talking about. This is item 3, given to me almost a year ago by Tim Shreve from Oklahoma. And I'll swear I've shown one of these before, but there's a wire. I'm not going to uncoil this. And a connector there. You can see by the braided wire that this is pretty old. And I'm not sure at all what this thing does. There's a little pointer there. And it appears that there's a copper coil inside. You can see it through those little slots. What the heck is item 3? Okay, item 4, everybody's going to know what this is, and this was given to me just the other day by John DeRosa, and he's in Illinois. He's given me a lot of things. There is a patent number here. There's adjustments. Now, this tool, there must have been 100 companies that made similar tools, and here's one also that does the exact same thing. No name or number on this. I've had this in my box for a long time. There's all different kinds of adjustments. I've never used one, and you might consider these to be totally obsolete and really have no value at all. So what in the heck does item 4, both of these, what do they do? What are they used for? Alright, this is a little extra credit because we don't really need 5 items here, but these 3 tools all do the same thing. They're just made by different manufacturers. What's the purpose of that? Same with this one. And this one. Very similar to this. Little alligators. What are number 5s used for? Alright, that concludes this short video. Be sure and watch the follow-up, which will be numbered 79B in a few days. This is Mr. Pete saying so long for now, and watch for a video in the near future where I talk about these two beautiful little Bridgeport models. The green one is brand new to my shop, and I'll have a standalone video on that.